Excuse me, I've been waiting for 10 minutes in the other line. No one helped me. This service is unacceptable.
I'm really sorry for the wait, sir. We've had fewer staff today, and it's almost closing time. Let me help you now.
Yeah, well, this is the second time it's happened. And don't tell me it's almost closing. I came early enough.
I understand. Let's see, are these all your items?
No. I also wanted to use the buy one, get one free promotion for the frozen pizzas. But the discount didn't show on the screen.
Oh, right. That promotion ended yesterday. We've updated the signs, but I think one was left by mistake. Let me double-check with my supervisor.
No, I want the price that was on the sign. I've seen it with my own eyes. Don't play games with me.
I believe you, sir. I'll call my supervisor right now and ask if we can honor the price. He said we can apply the discount this time since the sign was still there. I'll fix it for you.
Finally! Someone who uses common sense. Honestly, you people need better training.
We're doing our best, sir. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Just hurry up, will you? I've got better things to do.
Hey there! Survived another crazy day.
Barely. I've just had the customer from hell. He yelled at me about a pizza promotion that ended yesterday.
Oh boy, one of those days, huh? You deserve a raise and a box of chocolates.
I'll take the chocolates. Honestly, I've dealt with rude customers before, but this guy took the cake.
Speaking of cake, did you hear the announcement earlier? Someone dropped a birthday cake in aisle 3. It looked like a murder scene.
No way! I missed that. That's probably the 5th cake this week.
I swear, this place is more dramatic than a telenovela.
Tell me about it. Yesterday, a toddler ran off with a pack of sausages like it was a toy sword. I had to chase him down aisle 7.
You need your own show. Cashier Chronicles, starring you, dodging cakes, calming Karens, and fighting sausage thieves.
That's actually not a bad idea. At least I'd be famous for something.
For what it's worth, you're doing a great job. You always stay cool, even when things go sideways.
Thanks. I try to keep my cool, even when the universe is testing me.